Building upon what you said earlier about the power of a vision, right? Of something which pulls the entrepreneur behind it. How do you help them navigate through successes and failures, right? Because it's one thing to have a vision when you start, but it's a totally different thing to retain that vision or to continue to be with that vision when you are facing
Mm.
challenges, when you are facing setbacks, or when people are not supporting you.
I think it's easy. Sometimes it's very easy to fall in love with your own decision. I think I've done many mistakes by that myself. The hardest thing is actually also to say no to some of those things that you are fallen in love with. And if you are under financial pressure, it's sometimes easier because then the numbers you have to be closer to the numbers. But the challenge is to find this decision where you see that, okay, there might be a potential, but the potential is not right for us. It's not close enough or it's not big enough. And then so there you have to be very precise, also actually giving feedback to the entrepreneur, even because I think that's also an important journey for the entrepreneur to get feedback. Why did they not get investment? And that can typically be that I say, okay, this sounds like you have a great ambition. It's a great vision. It's probably making something good, but the time it will take to hit that market and the size of the market and the coming product investment you need to do. I might be wrong, but I believe that's probably too small to defend this investment, which might be disappointing for entrepreneur, but it might made them think, okay, maybe we should focus on another market. Maybe we should scale down our cost base or whatever. So I think you build that on experience, right? You build that on both success and failure. And I think the failures I've been doing, I think that has helped me even more in evaluating your cases, because then you know also what didn't work, not only what did work.